Hello everybody in this video, and today I will be doing a tutorial. I've had this problem before in the past, and I've seen other videos and YouTube channels do it, but not really this method, which is super easy method that I figured out myself. So what exactly is the problem? Well, when you make a YouTube channel, it will sometimes ask you to verify your phone number only when it's required for you to upload a thumbnail or make videos longer than 15 minutes. The thing is that I've had already used my phone number twice for 2 channels, and obviously I have a 3rd channel, which is the one that I'm uploading right now. So I spent time figuring it out, and I found a really easy fix that many people have done. You're gonna see this. This number is associated with too many channels. Only 2 channels can be verified per phone number. So when you see something like that, thing you want to do is simply go and create another tab and simply look up Voice, Google Voice. Now sign in. Once you sign in, you're going to want to search your city. Now it doesn't have to be your city, it could be any zip code, any area code that you desire. So if you want to use this code, you can 43001 now. You're going to find multiple phone numbers that are available. You can choose any of them. So if I want to do Texas, sure, why not? It's going to ask you to verify. So you're going to click that button and it's going to ask you. So these are numerous phone numbers that I've used. So what you want to do is click on the top, go back to the anonymous SMS, which will be down the description here. You click copy it already. So once we copy that, we're going to go ahead and paste it back. And it's going to ask you for your code. Now you're going to go back to the anonymous SMS and you're going to simply refresh. Now it's going to take a minute or so. It says if someone requests this code, it's a scam use code. Your code only in Google Voice app to sign up. This is your code now. You can't simply copy and paste because it won't allow you do that. Be simple and quick. Now, if you do not live in USA, this method will not work for you unless you use a VPN for Google Voice, or you can use this site. It is cheap. For only $2, you can get an American number for YouTube. Do not worry. The $2 will not be deducted until you receive the verification code, because sometimes the numbers doesn't work. Here you can charge your balance, and here you can choose the country, then choose the service you want. Copy the number and use it as we did previously. Now, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Have a good day.